Okay guys, welcome back. Today we are gonna talk about architecture colleges in Hyderabad, and I'll give you a few tips to help you choose the best college for you. I'm pretty sure you're really, messed up with colleges in Hyderabad because there are a lot of colleges you can choose from, and there's no proper hierarchy that any website is providing. So I'll just give you a few tips to help you understand the college better and choose the best college for you. Okay, like before starting anything, I really want to tell you that all this is my research and my opinion, and everybody's opinion varies, so you cannot just solely depend on me. You have to do your own research. So I'm just going to start off by telling you that there's a lot of colleges in Hyderabad, obviously. So according to a few websites and the official hierarchy, the first one stands JNA FAU. Obviously, I'm pretty sure everybody knows it if you live in Hyderabad. And then next comes Venkateshwara College, or the SVCA. And then the next one is Vaishnavi, and then we have CSIIT, and then we have Maestro, Watson, and a lot more colleges. So according to me, this is like the official analysis and all of that. Partition, structure officially. Okay, so let's talk about JNA FAU. It's pretty hard to get into that college unless you have a really good rank and a really good score and a good cast. I mean, let's talk facts here. There's a lot of good people, with great knowledge and great score that are not able to get into JNA FAU just because of their caste. Okay, so we're done with JNA FAU. Let's move on. So talking about Venkateshwara, Vaishnavi, and then we have CSIIT, Maestro, Watson, and all of these colleges. Well, they do have that hierarchy list that I already gave you, but then I'll just make it easier for you to understand these colleges a little better, and I'll just give you a few tips. So starting off, the first one, if you want to get into a college and understand that college, because of such times, I'm pretty sure you cannot visit the college. So the first thing would be visiting the college. So obviously I went to JNA FAU, and then I went to Venkateshwara College, I went to Vaishnavi College, and I even went to Watson College to understand how the college actually is and how people are actually talking to you. And then I gave a glance to the college, and then I understood that the pictures that you see on the Google are not what you see in real life. And well, I was a little disappointed because I had that dream for my college that it should be big, it should be huge, with a huge canteen so that I can go and have food whenever I want, talk to friends, make gangs, a lot more. But I'm pretty sure you will be a little disappointed looking at that college because not all colleges are, huge. So the first thing is visiting the college, but because you cannot do that in such times, I'm pretty sure you can, maybe later, but not now. I'll give you another way or another tip to, talk to people over there or students over there and understand their point of view of their college. So the best way you can do it is go on Instagram. So this is what I did. I get curious about all colleges and the students studying over there, and I just want to know how they think of their college. So I went on Instagram, I just searched for hashtag SVCA, hashtag JNFAU, hashtag whatever college you want to search about. And then obviously you'll find tagged images and students over there. Go hit up anybody. Not hit up. So go hit up anybody on Instagram. I'm pretty sure the person will help you because they're also on quarantine and they're all bored. Probably they have a lot of architecture assignments, but still they'll help you out. They'll give you their point of view of their college, as I told you. And this seriously will make your research so much easier, and it'll make your decision so much easier and faster too. So the first one was visiting the college, and the second one is go on Instagram and speak to people who already study there. And the third one is, this is like very important, okay? If you want to know about that college and details about that college, whether they're taking both the exams, whether they are considering NATA and JEE Mains paper 2, or whether they're considering just one of them, or if they're considering the rank, or if they're considering the score, there's a lot of doubts, I know. So what you do is you call the college, okay? If you have a doubt, go and talk to the college directly because you have numbers available, man. Go and talk to them. What generally a person does is searches more about that. My aunt's daughter studies over there. My uncle's auntie studies over there. they call up them, they call up to them and ask, and then you just end up confusing yourself more and more. So if you don't want that to happen, just directly call karo yaar, college ko. That's it. Okay, so there's 3 more. So if you want to know more about the college, I'm pretty sure you must have, grabbed one person on Instagram from that college. So ask them about the faculty. So faculty of that college is very important. Like according to these hierarchies and all of that, you don't have to give more concentration on that, but the thing that you have to concentrate is on the faculty. Because if there's a great faculty, the students will turn out great. Okay, so faculty is really important, so make sure you know if the faculty is good or bad. Basically, I heard that the faculty in JNFA was not that great because over there they don't help you out with your works. I'm not telling you not to take JNFA, obviously that will be your first priority, but then what I'm telling you is the faculty over there is not always ready to help. That is what I heard, so don't troll me, okay? Now the 5th one is distance. Well, distance according to me is really important, and it's a thing that you have to keep in mind before you choose your college. Because if your college is too far and if you take 1.5 hours or 1 hour or probably 2 hours to sit in the bus just to go there and then come back, it's 2 hours, man. You can do 5 to 6 sheets in 2 hours. Distance is to be considered. And if you think you do not want to consider the distance, it's fine. It was just a tip from me. You don't have to follow it, obviously. So yeah, we're done with 5 points now. I'm pretty sure that was a little lengthy, or probably you didn't want to listen to it. But anyway, so I hope I just made it a little better and easier for you to, choose your college. So there's a random points that I want to discuss, and these are just random, but they're true. So the first thing is about Venkateshwara College. The college is always open. So basically you can go out and come back in between any hours of the class, unless you want to miss your attendance. The next one is Vaishnavi. Well, in Vaishnavi, the gates are always closed. So it's a closed gate system. So if you have to go out, you'll have to take a lot of permissions and there'll have to be a valid reason. So, all of that. So you just cannot step out of the college anytime you want, which you can in Venkateshwara. Okay, so one about CSIIT. In this college, according to me, they give them a lot of work, because sometimes when I look at CSIIT people, I'm already done with my work and they are still working. I'm like, what do they even have to work at this hour of the day? And don't just get a negative impact because I told this on CSIIT. As I told you, speak to people over there, guys. And the next one, Voxen. Yeah, I am a little confused about architecture in Voxen because it's a new branch in Voxen. So basically Voxen was about business, and then it had design, it has interior fashion. It's like a design college, but then there's architecture as well. So yeah, it's a great option. According to me, the campus of Voxen is pretty beautiful, and there's great elements in Voxen. It's like a huge place, and you can roam around on your skateboard. I'm not saying you to buy a skateboard, I'm just saying. So I guess I'm done with all my tips. So all I have to tell you is, don't decide on your college just according to the hierarchy. Please do some research and don't confuse yourself. At times it will be confusing, to be honest, because everybody will give you drop in as many options and as many comments on the college that they have, and as many opinions of theirs. But then you'll have to stick to one college, which is a little hard, but eventually you will have to choose a college, and somehow you'll just go into a college and your life will begin. And all the best for that. And I hope you get into a great college, guys, and please do subscribe, okay? By the way, my name is Tejashri and the channel's name is Tej Art, and if you subscribe, you'll get content about architecture, art, and vlogs, stupid vlogs probably, because I didn't start making them yet. Yeah, that's it. It's just a boring day in quarantine. I know you don't want to listen to all of this, but I don't know why I'm recording it. Anyways, bye. My parents are at H&M, and my sister, is shopping hoodies, and I'm sitting here making videos that no one's gonna watch. Okay. Serious mode.